Hi everyone, in this video we are going to look into object-oriented programming. In this video we will discuss what is object-oriented programming, what is class, what are objects, and what are the four pillars of OOPS. So object-oriented programming is basically a programming approach which resolves around the concept of objects. Before discussing what is objects, we have to first discuss what is class. So have you ever heard about data types like int, float, character? These data types represent certain group of elements. If we consider about the int data type, then it represents a group of integers. If we consider about the float data type, then it considers groups of decimal numbers. Similarly, character data type considers a group of characters. So class is similar to a data type, but it is our custom data types. Let's suppose if we want to represent group of boxes, so we have to create a data type for that, which will include all the properties related to that. So if we think about box, then they have properties like length, breadth, height. Also, so we can create a class having these properties, and the variable which are declared by these class are called objects. Now let's discuss about the four pillars of OOPS. First is encapsulation. So while creating classes, we basically define all the properties, like what functions we can invoke through that classes in a particular class. So we are basically encapsulating all the features of that particular class or entity into a single class. Similarly, abstraction. So basically, if someone creates an object of that class, then he may not able to see the implementation of that class. So we have hidden the important details and only show the relevant details to the user. Third is polymorphism. So polymorphism as a concept is used helps to create multiple functions having same name but different parameters. And the last one is inheritance. With the help of inheritance, we can inherit properties of other classes. So let's suppose if I have created a class and I'm creating another class and I want to access the features of the previous class, then I can inherit the features of those classes using inheritance. We will see all these things in the code in upcoming videos. So subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.